What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be working out using a chair. Chairs are a great way to improvise and add a little bit of resistance to your workout. So if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next. Let's get into this video. All right, so for this first workout, we're gonna be doing glute bridges. And this is a great way to really activate your glutes and just work out your butt by itself instead of your thighs. So what you want to do is you want to get on your back and put your legs up on the chair. And I don't want my hair to get dirty. Not that the floor is dirty, but I'm just weird. So putting your legs up on the chair, like so, and getting on your back. And then it's kind of like what we would do at the gym, right? When we put the bench underneath our back and we lift up our butt. This chair is a little wonky, so hopefully I don't break it. So what you're going to do is hands down on the mat, not underneath your butt. And you're gonna bring your butt up and you're gonna squeeze. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15. Do not forget the squeeze. That is the most important part of activating your glutes and growing your butt. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and follow along. 3 sets of 15, let's get started. All right, good job. Go ahead and rest for 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're gonna get into set 2. You can really feel the burn when you squeeze and activate your glutes. This is one of my favorite workouts to do, especially in the gym with a barbell here, and just boom, just like that. Oh my God, you literally are so sore the next day in just your butt. It feels so good, and you just know you're not hitting thighs. Because if you're like me, you don't really wanna grow your thighs. I just want to grow my booty. All right, go ahead and rest 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're gonna get into set 3. If you're feeling the burn already, just go ahead and put one leg down and bring the other one up for a quick stretch on your break, just like this. That's really gonna relieve some of the tension that you have back there. And go ahead and start set 3 whenever you're ready. All right, good job you guys. I can literally feel the burn. Make sure you put your chair on your mat because you don't want the chair to slip, especially if you have tile floors like me. So put your chair somewhere where it's stable, and we're gonna be doing dips. These are for your triceps. I love these exercises, honestly. So depending on how strong you are, you might not be able to do 3 sets of 12. I know dips are kind of my weakness, honestly. My triceps are weak AF, so. But you're gonna go like this and put your body out, put your arms on the chair, and just go down and back up. And we're gonna do 3 sets of 12, but if you're like a novice and a newbie, then just go ahead and do like 3 sets of 8. You're still gonna feel the burn, trust me. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and get started. Go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we're gonna get into our next set. This exercise is really good for toning up this part of your arm right here, that flabby part. It's really good for that. It's also really good for your back right here and that bra bulge area. So ladies, don't skip on these dips. They're not just for guys, trust me. Take another break, 10 seconds, and then last set. All right, for this next workout, we're gonna be doing crunches, and we're gonna bring our legs up onto the chair. And we're gonna be just crunching. So bring your body towards the chair, and 3 sets of 12, you're just literally gonna crunch, just like that. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and get started. Good job. Go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we're going to do the second set. All right, good job. 10-second break, and then we have the last set. All right, and this last workout we're gonna be doing is just regular squats. This is definitely a beginner squat. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. What you're gonna do is you are gonna just squat to the chair. Legs are shoulder width apart. So don't really do sumo, just do regular squats for this one. And you're just gonna squat down, touch the chair, and go back up. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 15. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and follow along. Ten-second break, and then we're going to get into the next set. Go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we have one more set. 15. Good shit, you guys. Good shit. Drink some water. All right, guys, so those are some really good full body workouts that you can do at home with the assistance of a chair. Like I said, these are really, really beginner workouts that you can do at home if you're just starting out in your workout journey. And if you're not, if you just want to have a quick workout to do at home, this one could be perfect for you. If you enjoyed this workout, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.